Hello, welcome to KG Nation. You know us from while playing basketball, but today we're going to the science lab. So, as you know, science labs. Let's start off. I'm putting this phone in the microwave, by the way.
I've heard that it can charge the iPhone.
Really, nigga?
Give me my blowing up phone or whatever.
What is it at right now?
It is at 41%.
Show the viewers so they don't think that we're lying. I don't know if you can actually shoot it or not, because I'm not smart, but whatever. You ready to do this?
3.
How long you want to put it in for?
Let's go
2 minutes.
A few moments later.
Wow, it's coming down. Oh my god, it smells horrible. Oh. Well, let's see
Just
the
get it
result.
out. Just get it out.
A breadstick? Well, you saw it here, folks. You put an iPhone 5 into a microwave for 2 minutes, it turns into a breadstick. Yum.